Most trainers don't fail because of lack of content. They fail because of the wrong flow. You have 3 to 4 topics to be delivered in one day and you keep thinking, which one should I take first? And honestly, most trainers get this completely wrong. What if I tell you, your first topic does not matter. The first experience does. In this video, I am going to show a simple framework that helps you design your entire training day based on energy, engagement, and learning journey. If you want your sessions to be remembered, not just attended, stop delivering topics. Start designing experiences. As a trainer, have you ever had 3 to 4 topics to be delivered in one day and you keep wondering, which one should I take first? I have seen many trainers make this mistake. They start with most comfortable topic or the most important topic or simply follow the presentation order. And by the end of the day, participants are either tired, disconnected, or overloaded. Because training is not content delivery. It's an experience design. So instead of asking, what topic should I take first? Ask the question, what should my participant feel and experience first? That's when your training flow changes completely. Let me give you a simple framework that I personally use, the energy flow model, where E stands for engage. Start with connection, not content. Never start with heavy concepts. Start with icebreakers, stories, relatable discussions. Because if they are not connected, they are not learning. N is for need awareness. Why this matters? Because teaching anything, make them feel the need. E is to educate. Now brings the main core topic. This is where your main content comes in. But remember, keep it interactive, break down into smaller chunks, and definitely avoid overload. R is for reinforce, practice plus application. Learning without application is wasted. Use role plays, case studies, group discussions, etc. G is for growth, takeaways. Close with what will they do differently starting tomorrow? Why is your energy? Throughout the day, keep checking where is the energy dropping, possibly after lunch. Use light activities. After heavy topics, follow with some discussion. So if you have 3 to 4 topics to be covered in a day, don't decide based on importance, difficulty, or your comfort. Decide based on energy, engagement, and learning journey instead. If you are a trainer who wants to go beyond content and truly design impactful sessions, connect with us at ProTouch. And comment below, what is the biggest challenge you face while designing the training flow?